So you mentioned a team of about 30 people. I think I saw on LinkedIn One Consulting had 64 employees on LinkedIn, maybe somewhere around there. But when you're scaling a team, your whole business is teaching people how to get jobs. But for any founders or people building startups out there listening, can we flip the script a bit and ask, how should startups hire effectively and select the right applicants?
Yeah, so I have 30 people on my core team, and then some other ones are service providers, so they'll do a lot of the services.
Got it.
So my philosophy with hiring is, a lot of people talk about hiring for potential, which is important. Another thing is, of course, having the skills and the experiences. Like, you can't not have those skills and experiences. So for example, like, I was hiring a marketing manager, and I had like 200, 300 applications. And some people didn't have experience, some people did. But the people that I looked at were the people who did have experience, and it's the skills. So you got to make sure your skills and experiences align with the roles that you're going for. But the person has to be very aligned with your mission, turning underdogs into winners, coming from a non-target school, non-traditional background, someone who's also struggled in the job search before. The reason why I say this is because these individuals are the ones who stay at your company. They don't see it as transactional. They're not like, okay, Matthew and Nick, I'm just here to collect a paycheck and then I'm leaving. They're not the ones who say, okay, Matthew and Nick, I'm waiting till Friday so I can enjoy my weekend and then come back on Monday, and now I'm going to dread my life for the next 5 days. I've never heard that from any of my team members. The reason why is because they correlate so directly with that mission. I talk to all my friends in corporate, they're always like that. They're always like, oh, I can't wait till Friday. All right, I can't wait till Friday. I can't, and then on Monday, like, I hate Mondays. I love Mondays. But it's all about getting those people who agree and align with your mission, because they also have that mission. They're also driven not by a paycheck, but they're driven to help people because of that mission. And that's how I find some of the best employees and team members, and that's why I love my team.
So what you just saw was a clip from the Founder Framework podcast hosted by yours truly. For more clips, you can check them out right here. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, and you can see full-length episodes on our channel or anywhere you get your podcasts, and I'll see you in the next one.